Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the world of logo design and exploring the art of minimalism. In this episode, we will uncover the secrets behind creating a modern minimalist gaming business logo that captivates the audiences and leaves a lasting impression. If you want to learn more about modern minimalist gaming business logos, consider watching this video until the end because I have helpful content coming for you. So, what exactly is minimalism and why is it so powerful in logo design? Minimalism is about stripping away the unnecessary to reveal the essential. In logo design, this means using clean lines, simple shapes, and a restrained color palette to convey a brand's identity in the most efficient and impactful way possible. A minimalist logo design can help your gaming business to convey your brand's identity in the most impactful way possible. So, when you have a minimalistic logo, especially for a gaming business, it's going to be easier for your target audiences to remember your logo. So when your target audiences finds it easy to remember your logo, they're going to also find it easy to remember your business because your logo is not cluttered with a lot of things. It's just simple and minimalistic. So it can be very helpful for your business to have a minimalistic logo so that audiences can find it easier to remember. Unlike a logo that's too cluttered and that has a lot going on with it, audiences are going to find it hard to remember the design of the logo, in turn also forgetting your business. So it's advisable to have a minimalistic logo so that your target audience can find it easier to remember your logo. Next up, typography and color. You need to choose a modern sans serif font for your logos text. If you want to work with a professional logo designer that understands these types of fonts, because I know some of you don't understand the types of fonts needed. So if you want to work with a professional logo designer that understands this, click the link on the description so that you can work with a professional logo designer that understands different types of fonts, different types of typography that might work better for a gaming business logo. So consider checking that out on the description. I'm going to leave a link so that you can check that out and get a well-designed logo designed exactly how you envision it with unlimited revisions so that the logo can be exactly how you envision it to be. So if you're going to design the logo by yourself, it's okay. Sans serif fonts will help keep your logos clean, legible, and complementary to the icon. As for color, less is more. Stick to a minimal color palette consisting of one or two bold lines that resonate with your brand's personality and values. Remember, simplicity and minimalism is key. Don't ever forget that if you're going to design your own logo. If you're not, just work with the designer that I've left the link to on the description. Now let's talk about negative space and versatility. Clever use of negative space can add depth and intrigue to your logo, while ensuring it remains versatile and scalable across various platforms and applications. Whether it's on a website, business card, or merchandise, your logo should look impeccable in any context. In addition, for a modern minimalist gaming business logo, negative space can help add depth and intrigue to your logo. It's also going to help keep your logo clean and uncluttered. A minimalist logo serves is the cornerstone of a brand's visual identity, providing a cohesive foundation for all branding efforts. Consistency is key in building the brand recognition and trust among consumers. In addition, I want us to talk about how minimalist logos can help establish and reinforce brand consistency across marketing platforms, from websites to social media profiles. When it comes to gaming, logo design, the logo design process is important because it needs to represent your business and be more appealing to the audience. Your gaming business needs a logo that can represent it better. And by clicking the link on the description, you can get yourself a well designed logo the way you envision it. And you can get yourself a minimalist logo the way you envision it, a logo that can help your marketing efforts across different marketing platforms, whether you're going to use the logo on your website, whether you're going to use the logo on some of your merchandise, if you do have merchandise in your gaming business, or maybe on the store of the gaming business. You can get yourself a well designed logo that's going to fit your exact needs. So just by clicking on the link, you can get yourself a well designed logo the way you envision it. A minimalist logo have the power to evoke specific emotions and perceptions among target audiences, and that is why a minimalist logo is important for your gaming business, because it can help your business evoke specific emotions among your target audience. In addition, it is important to work with a professional logo designer that can understand elements such as color, shapes, and typography, so that your logo can influence audiences the way that it needs to influence them and shape brand associations. Understanding the psychological impact of minimalist logos can inform strategic branding decisions and enhance brand associations. So you need to have a minimalist logo that can help with branding in your business, because when your logo is not really minimalist like that, your target audience will not really remember your logo that easy, especially for a gaming business. If your logo is too much, there's too much going on with it, it's going to be hard for your target audience to remember your logo. So working with a logo designer that can understand how to create a minimalist logo that can represent the brand properly and make the target audience remember the brand easily, remember the logo easily, can really help your gaming business logo. So I would consider working with a professional logo designer that understands the type of typography needed for a minimalistic logo, the type of colors needed for a minimalistic logo, the types of shapes needed when creating a minimalistic logo. So consider that as well when designing a minimalistic logo. Even if you're going to design this by yourself, you need to understand the types of shapes, the types of colors, the types of fonts, the typography needed when designing a minimalistic logo. Minimalism in logo design has evolved over time, reflecting shifts in design trends, technology, and consumer preferences. Even in gaming logo design, there has been shifts. Gaming logos that embrace minimalism and simplicity tend to be more appealing to its target audiences than logos that don't. Logo designers that understand the evolution of minimalist logos from their origins to contemporary interpretations tend to understand the level of creativity needed when designing a modern minimalist logo, a modern minimalist gaming business logo. By understanding the historical context of minimalist logo design, logo designers can gain insights into its enduring relevance and adaptability in modern business landscapes. So, logo designers that understand the historical context of minimalist logo design, especially for a gaming business logo, a minimalist gaming business, they tend to understand the importance of designing the logo in a simplistic and minimalistic way. They understand that it's important for the target audience to associate your gaming business with a minimalist logo. They understand the level of creativity needed when it comes to designing a minimalist logo, which is why companies and brands need to invest more in logo design, specifically logo designers that understand simplicity and minimalism when it comes to designing their own logo. One of the key advantages of minimalist logos is their scalability and adaptability. Whether it is displayed on a billboard or mobile screen, minimalist logos maintain clarity and legibility at any size. Logo designers that understand the importance of scalability and adaptability can do a better job in designing a logo that is consistent in terms of brand representation across diverse platforms and mediums, whether the logo is going to be displayed on a billboard, whether the logo is going to be displayed on a website, whether the logo is going to be displayed on various marketing platforms or social media profiles. These logo designers that understand the importance of designing a minimalistic logo, especially for a gaming business, tend to do a better job in designing, and that can really put your business at an advantage when it comes to appeasing your target audience. A minimalist logo serves as the cornerstone of a brand's visual identity, providing a cohesive foundation for all branding efforts. Consistency is key in building brand recognition and trust among consumers. A skilled logo designer can help create and design a logo that can establish and reinforce brand consistency across marketing platforms, from websites to social media platforms. A minimalist logo can be the cornerstone of a brand's visual identity. That is why it's important for brands to invest in logo design and working with logo designers that understand what they are doing. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of modern minimalist business logo, from the power of simplicity to the power of design principles. Minimalist logos offer a timeless and versatile solution for brands seeking to make a memorable impression. Don't forget, if you want a well-designed, modern, minimalist gaming business logo, click the link on the description and get a logo designed the way you envision it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.